Where can I cash a check from Fidelity Investments? Did you know that approximately 7% of U.S. adults are unbanked, lacking access to traditional banking services? Additionally, over 20% are underbanked, relying on alternative financial services. These statistics highlight the challenges many face when attempting to cash checks, including those issued by investment firms like Fidelity Investments. Cashing a check from Fidelity Investments can be approached through several avenues, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. Primarily, such checks can be deposited or cashed at your personal bank or credit union. Financial institutions typically accept checks from reputable entities like Fidelity, allowing you to either deposit the funds into your account or receive cash, depending on the bank's policies and your account standing. This method offers convenience, especially if you maintain a good relationship with your bank, potentially expediting the availability of funds. However, it's important to note that banks may place a hold on deposited checks, particularly if the amount is substantial or if your account lacks a sufficient balance to cover the check. This hold can delay access to funds, which may be inconvenient if immediate liquidity is needed. Additionally, some banks might charge fees for cashing checks, especially if you don't have an account with them. Another option is utilizing check cashing services or retail outlets that offer such facilities. While these services provide immediate cash access, they often charge significant fees, sometimes ranging from 1% to 10% of the check amount. This can be a considerable disadvantage, particularly for larger checks, as the fees can substantially reduce the net amount received. For those who prefer digital solutions, mobile check deposit is a viable alternative. Many banks and financial institutions offer mobile apps that allow you to deposit checks by capturing images with your smartphone. This method is convenient and can expedite the deposit process. However, similar to in-person deposits, there may be holds placed on the funds, and daily or monthly deposit limits could restrict the amount you can deposit via mobile apps. It's also worth considering that some banks may refuse to cash checks if you don't hold an account with them, or they may impose higher fees for non-customers. Therefore, having an established banking relationship can be beneficial when cashing checks from entities like Fidelity Investments. In conclusion, while there are multiple avenues to cash a check from Fidelity Investments, each comes with its own set of pros and cons. Personal banks or credit unions offer familiarity and potentially lower fees but may impose holds on funds. Check cashing services provide immediate access to cash but at a higher cost. Mobile deposits offer convenience but may have limitations on fund availability and deposit amounts. Assessing your immediate financial needs, existing banking relationships, and willingness to incur potential fees will guide you in choosing the most suitable method for cashing your Fidelity Investments check.